Good evening. Today I'm going to do one video regarding Copilot. Actually, it's since past 1 month that I have not did any videos. So now I'm going to do Copilot for Microsoft 365. It's an AI powered productivity tool that uses large language models LLMs and integrates your data with Microsoft Graph and Microsoft 365 apps and service. It works alongside popular Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. So now what we'll do, we'll do video start. So now what I will do, see, I open Windows and here you can see releasing Windows 10 build. Here release preview channel is there, and setting, update, security and all. So here we can see 22H2 known issues. Copilot in Windows, it's currently supported when your taskbar is located. Settings update is there, security is there, Windows update is there. So now I'll just on it. Windows Insider program. Your PC does not meet the minimum hardware requirements. Okay, for when get started. See, it's unloading. This won't take long. Link an account. Pick an account to get started. So I'm just going to link. Sign in option has been appeared. Now work or school account. So I'll just click it. And just a moment. Okay, I will wait. Sign in, email, phone or Skype. So loading, this won't take long. Somewhat time it will take to load and all, so just we have to wait for some time. So this is very good tool for everyone. It's an AI tool. Pick your insider setting, release preview, idle if you want to preview fixes. Okay. Plex get optional access to the next version of Windows before it generally available to this. So I just confirmed it, and then now see here I opened run and WinVer, WINVR. I just typed it, and here you can see Windows 10 is there, and now here you can see last. Just click on it and you can see here Copilot is there, open setting, go personalization, colors, See here, you can just give voice messages, and you can type anything whatever you want within fraction of seconds. See here, many options you will get over there. It's time saving process. Here you can see here I'm just checking for all settings. So if you people want to download it, just download it and you can go with this Copilot. This is very good option for everyone. Still loading. Just I'm checking one by one for every options and all. So I prefer this Copilot. It's a very useful and all. So hope if video is good, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.